But here we are, friends, right?
Yeah. Right.
This is all that's about. This is what New York is about.
It's about, yeah.
Cheers to that.
No, it's not about where you're from, it's about where you are.
Yeah.
That's what New York's about. And where you're going.
And who you are as a person. Oh my God, this is lovely.
We need to be a better person.
Yes. To progress and making more money.
You know,
And to
it's not-
relationships.
so what's about, it's not about any of this. It's about making yourself a better person and making everyone you meet a better person because they met you. That's what life is about.
Oh my
That's
God,
what
look
it's
at
about.
this. We can see both sides. This is so
Beautiful.
cool.
That is awesome.
You cannot get this anywhere else.
That is awesome.
You cannot.
No, you can't.
This perspective, this vantage point,
No, you can't.
this is gorgeous. I'm so happy that this is the last day and this is the way I can come
You're not
out.
happy it's your last day. You're happy that you're able to see it.
No, I'm happy that this is my last day here in Tracy City and I was able to see it. And to progress. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is so amazing.
Gina,
Yes?
you know, after 10 years,
Yeah?
and you're probably like, you know, like the very super powerful woman in the city.
Yeah, I don't know what that
But you know what? But you have to remember this moment.
is. Of course. That's why I have it videotaped.
Gina, I'm being,
No.
I'm being honest. You have to remember this moment.
No.
The moment like people surrounding you.
I agree.
It's very. It's very
No.
emotional.
I always cherish these moments and I never let myself get off the ground and get too big headed. It's moments like this, it's like the most important times in your life.
But you know,
With friends.
You will be very influential, right? Within 10 years.
Right.
This is a different.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love it.
Probably in 10 years, you're like a Hudson, like being mentioned.
I don't know about that.
I don't remember.
Oh, whatever.
Who is that she?
You will be my first mate. This is on video. You are my first mate, darling.
Who's James? I don't remember him. But you know
No.
I can remember me.
yeah, she will always remember you.
This
I
is
can remember
amazing.
me.
Yeah, she will remember me, right?
No, she will always remember you.
Yeah.
Fong, you have an imprint in my mind, and you will forever be my best mate here.
No, what I'm trying to say is this moment is very.
Yeah. I agree with you.
Wow.
This is so cool.
Sorry, I'm being very emotional.
No, I love it. No, me too. I'm glad I'm not the only one.
It's okay, Barbara. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Your ex is hugging me.
Oh no, you're fine.
Thank you.
He's my great friend. This is spectacular.
No, she'll tell you.
I've never seen anything like this before, and it is like amazing. And I would never. I'm so glad that we all are here. I get experience this with the best friends I have here in New York. I'm for real.
I'll be your older sister forever.
I know.
Really?
Yes.
Because
Yes.
I'm old for you.
No.
Forever.
No. You are fantastic. I admire you. I love your tenacity. I love your independence. I love your drive and your ambition. That's why I'm so drawn to you. And that's why I want to maintain our contact and our friendship.
You listen to Macy sing.
Oh my god, so pretty.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Macy's one? Oh my god.
This is the first time since I moved to
You
New
can
York
see
City,
both.
I
No.
can
This is
feel
the first time you can see both.
it. Yeah, I know.
This is like a once in a lifetime experience here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming out.
No, thank you for inviting me.
So great.
Yeah.
No, I love the music too. Thank you. This is spectacular. I love fireworks. This is me going out with a bang. Thank you, Jersey City. I had a great time. sayonara. I will see you
But you're so
on
like,
the other side.
but you're so like, fuck you, I'm not coming back.
I'm not coming back. You know, I like you a lot. I like you a lot.
I come back better.
I might come back, but I'll come back better.
Right?
If I do.
That's like a typical gymnast.
Yes.
If you come back, you're bringing
you
hell
later.
with you, right?
I love you guys. Hi. Everybody here, we're the best. Welcome to the best viewing ever here in New York City. You will not get this vantage point anywhere else. Well, you can, but it will be a few $100s.
Finish that up. And I'll pour the prosecco.
Just saying. Oh, it's so gorgeous.
You want more rosé or you want prosecco?
Which one is lighter?
This thing. You want bubbles?
Let's do the bubblies.
No, she's so.
Oh no, she wants rosé.
It's okay.
But watch it, it's so gorgeous! Ah! I have the best view ever! Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this so much.
But you're moving to Wall Street.
I know, but I won't get this on Wall Street. This is the best thing ever. I got both the East Side River and the Hudson River going on. The fireworks is gorgeous, and the best friends I could ever have. The most spectacular people. Myself included.
The most sexy people is Jeanette, right?
Well, I can't say.
I would say it.
Thank you, darling. You're so sweet. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, they're going full blast. They're going full blast. Come on, grand finale.
Yeah, you have to come.
Oh my god, this is like the best thing I could ever experience here in New York. And here I am right now. I have the East Side River, the Hudson River, and my last day here in Jersey City going on all at once. And I cannot ask for more. Thank you, New York. And thank me for doing all the shit I did for the last 10 years to get here.
Thank you, Jeanette.
Thank you, darling. I love you.
You have to give a love credit to yourself.
Oh, thank you, darling. You know what? This is the moment, this is the reason why I worked so hard for the last 10 years, is to experience this stuff right now. Right here. Right here. I never thought that I would ever experience this stuff and be here. But, you know, with hard work and perseverance, and a can-do attitude, you can get anywhere you want. Thank you. Thank you all for...
We'll make it the best.
Thank you, darling. No. This is so great.
Jeanette, you're very lucky.
I am. You know what? I count my blessings.
You're very lucky.
been very
You find
lucky.
a lot of really good person in your life.
What? No. She's not lucky because of me. She's lucky because of her.
I don't know, but like I feel like we like 10 years later, like 20 years later, we still can have all.
It's not. It's not gonna happen. But I could see 10 years from now we being best friends.
Look at them. They're going to like the grand finale right now.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, true.
In the back.
But I can see 10 years from now that we be best friends. Like you're married to other people, best friends to each other. That's what I can see.
20 years.
Fong, it's grand finale. Grand finale.
You have half of Asia. We have to live longer, okay?
No, but the thing is,
Oh my god,
Thing
this
with
is so
you-
gorgeous. I love this. Oh, you have no idea how much I
Okay.
love fireworks.
drink.
Oh, well, you're pouring it. You poured it poorly.
No, I said drink.
Well, I'm watching this right now.
Cheers.
Fong, cheers. Happy 4th. You're the best girl ever here in New York I've ever met.
Oh my God,
It's
that's
over.
really good. That's really good.
We have to stay strong.